Namaste and hello. This is TrendyTechnoTalks. In this video, we'll be discussing about intelligent document processing, which is commonly known as IDP. IDP use artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to read, understand, and extract data from document. This software also organize and put the data in proper format to reveal actionable insights. So, if we see how IDP works, let's understand this process in more detail. Let's understand with the diagram. There is the IDP software, and let's assume there are a lot of hard copies from which we need the data to provide it to our softwares or bots into the systems. So what we'll do, we'll provide this, we'll use a scanner to get the soft copies for these documents, which will be saved into your systems, in your desktops or laptops. When this IDP software will start to process, what it will do, it will scan, or we can say it will understand and read the data which was saved in the soft copies or in the scanned copies, and will transfer them into a proper format from where you can easily extract that data to provide it to the bots or softwares. So let's see what is the need of intelligent document processing and intelligent automation. If the process under automation starts with documents as input, so the first step will be to read these documents, and for that human effort will be required so that they can read and get the required data from these documents. See, whenever there is a software, how a software works, a software does some processing on some inputs to provide required outputs. So suppose there is a software which is doing some processing, and you're providing certain inputs to that software, which should be in some formats. It cannot be like if one is in other format, one is another, and there are n number of formats available. And it will process it into certain output, which will be in some standard format. Now, suppose there are large number of input formats available. Some are in hard copies, some are in soft copies, but in those also there is various ways in which the data is available. Somewhere it is present in the extreme left, extreme right, or many other ways are there. So how to handle the situation? You may say that the input extraction can be done using optical character recognition, that is OCR. But OCR have its very own expectations, like it should have the data which needs to be extracted or read should be having specific coordinates, constant formats. So if we are using OCR alone, it has its very own exceptions, because having digital formatted documents may not be the case every time, as the documents have varying types. Based on it, let's divide these documents into three main categories, which are structured documents, semi-structured documents, and unstructured documents. So what are these? See, the structured documents are the ones which have fixed formats, and also data is fixed at fixed location. For example, PAN card. You may have seen that with whosoever PAN card is there, the name must be written at the same position. So these are the easiest documents to be handled. Then we have semi-structured document, which refers to the fixed set of data but no fixed format. For example, invoices, purchase orders. There, the data is available on that page. The name of the company will be available on that page, but it is not necessary that it is provided at the same position. It can be at extreme. Some companies prefer it to be at extreme left, extreme right, in the middle. Not many positions are there. And unstructured documents, as the name suggests, have no fixed layouts and no fixed data points. For example, survey responses and emails. As you know, emails can vary from person to person. For writing the same set of data, people can use different formats. They have different perspective. They have different intents to write the data. So these are the documents which have no fixed layouts and the fixed data sets. To overcome this challenge of different document type, intelligent document processing, that is IDP, was introduced. which is an advanced version of the optical character recognition, that is OCR, because here we get it augmented with the AI and ML models. The algorithms of AI and ML are used together with the OCR to read and extract the data from such documents. Thank you.